It's Elena, back again with another video. I've been requested to do a makeup look a lot, so if you guys want to see how I got this look and achieved this look, stay tuned to the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification to get notifications when I post. Bye! I'll see you in the next clip. Hi guys, this is the voiceover part of my video. Right now, well actually a second ago I used the Brow Benefit Cosmetics Brow Gel in the shade 5, and I used my eyebrow brush in the Morphe X James Charles Morphe M158 brush. Sorry, I stutter sometimes. Okay, a second ago I used the brush Morphe M527 and the Kylie Pressed Bronzing Powder in Almond. Right now I am just applying with a wet beauty blender the Tarte Shape Tape. I know this is not my color. I got it for Christmas from someone. I think my mom got it for me, and I just never was able to return it, so it is not my shade. But it's in the color 27H Light Medium Honey. Okay, now we're at the eyeshadow look. Right now I am applying in the crease with the brush Morphe M433 in the shade My Man. I'm just applying this all over my lid and blending it out. Yeah. I was talking to my friend, so I made a weird noise. But I next used the shade Feeling Myself. And I didn't show it, but I also used the shade Homebody. It's right next to Feeling Myself. And I just use that in my crease, and then I start blending it up just to add a little bit of dimension into the lid. Okay. I'm going to go back in and blend a little bit. I am using the brush Morphe M441, and I am blending it out with Positivity. I'm just trying to get a nice blend going, and yeah. I said 1 second. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease with the brush Morphe M124 with my Tarte Shape Tape again. I'm just cutting the crease and trying to make it as circular as possible. I like it so that when I open my eyes, you can still see it a little bit. So I go a little bit over my crease line and just create a new crease. Right now I am applying the with the brush M224, and I'm using the palette Makeup Revolution in Chilled with Cannabis, and I'm using the shade Leaf. I must not have shown it by accident. I'm so sorry. And I'm just applying that like as much as I can, as like even as possible. Next, I'm going to blend a little bit so that the edges aren't as harsh. It still turned out a little harsh. I would have liked it a little bit more blended. I'm sorry. So yeah. I'm going in with the shade Goddess with my finger, just applying it a little bit. Well, not a little bit. I'm applying it over the whole crease. The whole cut crease, at least. Yes. Next, I'm going to blend it a little bit more so that the edges are still not as, like, bam, right in your face. Again, this is, like, personal preference. I like it a little bit more blended and a lot less, like, harsh. Next I'm going to take a tiny brush in that orange shade again and just blend it on the crease line to make it a little sharp at the top. And I used the brush Morphe M431. The palette I'm using this whole time was the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. Highly recommend it. It is such a great palette. So yeah. Next I'm going to add in, oh wait, no, I'm gonna blend it again. Okay. After this, I'm guessing I highlighted the inner corner, yes, with I'm in it, with the brush Morphe M506. Next, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and using my waterproof Better Than Sex mascara to hold my lashes all day. And yeah, bye guys. Hope you had fun watching this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be posting again sooner or later. So yeah, go follow my socials down below. Elena Louise __. Or no, it's Elena _Louise _ for my Instagram, and then my TikTok is Elena _ the _ BITXH. Yeah. If you want to get in touch with me, my Instagram is private, but I do check my notifications and my messages, and also my TikTok messages are open for anyone to text me too. So yeah, and then my Snapchat's in my Instagram bio. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again later. Bye.